Hey, hello everyone. Today we are going to demo the Invoice Management app. We at Zephico Technologies have built this application to help the enterprise and business solution to provide with an invoice management system. This is a very simple application where you can create invoices, you can check your analytics, you can also keep track of all the users. We also have implemented multiple workflows which will make sure that the invoices that are created are correct, they are updated properly. So there are a lot of automation that can be done here. To do this application or to build this application, you will require a lot of effort, a lot of time, and also significant amount of cost to build a simple application like this on other platform. But Retool provides us many things out of the box, which help us in building such platform with ease. We're demonstrating this application right now. So as you can see, this is the create user option. Once I get started, I would be able to create user. I'll go ahead. I'll create a user, John Smith. Okay, their email address is john.smith@gmail.com. Okay, we'll put any random phone number for the demo. Okay, for the address, we're putting any data. This is the description of the application. A simple CRUD application. We have saved the user. If you go and check John Smith have been created. We can go ahead even check the detail, edit the detail, delete the detail. So all of this can be done seamlessly using Retool. Now what we'll do, we'll create an invoice for them. This is how you create an invoice. Now, in order to create an invoice, we need basic details of the user. First of all, we need who the user is. As soon as we select a user, let's say John Smith, we get all the details pre-populated here. If we want to add a description or anything, we can also add it here. This is something we did a recent survey with our own existing client and asked them that what were the needs. And that came up, and hence we came up with the conclusion like what field should be editable, what should not be editable. And all of this can be added. I think we'll add a relevant detail. Okay, more description for now. Now creating an invoice. Okay, in invoice management application, the basic thing that we do, we add items. The items, as you can see, these are coming from a dropdown. This dropdown is connected to a Google Sheet. We have used out of the box Retool API to integrate Google Sheet with our application. Doing it using other on any different application, be it React or any other front-end framework, would require a significant amount of effort. But this is how seamlessly it is integrated using Retool. As you can see, let's say we want to calculate the calculation for main door. So dimension for the main door is 3x 3 times 4 times 3. For simplicity, this is what we are calculating. And the price that has come out is 7236. So that is the total price. So all of this calculation, it is an easy calculation that is happening on the front end. And in the meantime, this can be added to the invoice. You can also edit the item name here. This is the pre-populated item name. In case you don't want to keep the item name, you want to change it, you want to change the unit price for this particular item, you can do it. Once you edit, the items are added. And once the items are added, if you are fine with the invoice, you can simply download and save it. Once you download it, it is saved on your local system. And once you save it, it is also saved in the database. If you want to send this invoice, you can send it right away from here. You don't have to leave the application. All you have to do, the pre-populated email will be in the recipient address. Instead of that, if you want to change the email address, that is also something that you can do. And you can send this invoice to them. On clicking the send email button, we are able to send this. Again, to build this using any other application, we have to require our own SMTP server or use an email API. But Retool gives us to use Retool email out of the box. So this was also very easy to integrate. Now, when we go and check the invoices, the simple CRUD application, we are able to edit the invoice. We are able to delete the invoice. We are able to make changes in the invoice. I'll not go through it, but I'll come to dashboard. Dashboard is one of our flagship feature that we are shipping with this product. What we are planning to build this application which can be used for any type of businesses to create invoices. Any small type of business who are selling a service or selling a hardware or a software or whatever, they can utilize this software to track their invoice, to send invoices to their client, also to track the dashboard, track their invoices, track their progress. So the dashboard that you see, it is pretty self-explanatory. We are currently using the existing data that is available. We can see what is the top selling item, what is the total sales that has happened over the period of last month, the number of users, the least selling item, and all of it can be seen. Again, building this dashboard using any other framework or any other library would have been a lot of task. But since we are using Retool has helped us to build this very seamlessly, very easily, and in very lesser amount of time. And hence we have partnered with Retool to build such products. Okay, that is it from my side. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you.